Hey guys, this lesson will talk about how to download the traffic light program. Program used in this video can be found under the Sun directory or appendix. I have copied programs on my desktop in advance. Firstly, take out the controller of traffic light and USB cable. Next, connect the controller to your computer. Then open one code and drag the traffic light program to software interface. Or you can click File and then click Load Files from your computer to import file into software. Okay, program has been loaded. Now, we download it into controller. Click Connect and select corresponding port. The port number is not the first one, so you need to choose it according to the actual situation. If COM1 appears, do not select it. Finally, click Upload button. The program has been downloaded completely.